Imagine a city where streets adapt to traffic in real time and buildings are shaped by data, not just blueprints. Where the skyline is alive, evolving, intelligent, and sustainable. This is the new frontier where artificial intelligence meets architecture to build the cities of tomorrow. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now with architects and engineers using algorithms to shape our future. As urbanization accelerates and environmental challenges grow, we must rethink how we build. Enter AI, the ultimate design partner. From concept to construction, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing architecture. Today, we explore how AI is designing futuristic cities efficient, adaptable, and visionary. For centuries, architecture reflected the values and technology of its era. Now, our cities face new challenges: climate change, overpopulation, and aging infrastructure. The old ways are no longer enough. In this digital era, architecture is shifting. With AI, we're no longer limited by human imagination or slow trial and error. Algorithms are now part of the team analyzing data, predicting behavior, and generating structures optimized for function and sustainability. AI-driven architecture uses algorithms to aid or automate design decisions. These systems learn from vast datasets, climate, traffic, human movement, and generate solutions that evolve in real time. This isn't just about faster drafting, it's about smarter cities. Imagine apartments that adapt layouts based on occupancy or offices that reconfigure for collaboration. With AI, buildings become responsive, living systems. One breakthrough is generative design. Architects set goals like maximizing light or reducing materials, and AI generates thousands of options. The algorithm acts as a hyper-intelligent assistant, exploring design pathways at a scale impossible for humans. AI in architecture isn't limited to buildings, it scales to cityscapes. Through sensors and data, cities become aware of themselves. AI interprets this data to inform planning: where to put bike lanes, how to manage storm water, or reroute traffic. Cities like Singapore and Helsinki use AI to make smarter zoning decisions, reduce carbon footprints, and optimize utilities. The result: urban environments that are more resilient and human-centered. AI is also tackling climate change by modeling energy flow, sunlight, wind, and comfort. AI helps design buildings that use less energy and adapt to their environments. Parametric modeling simulates how a building's shape impacts airflow and temperature, allowing AI to adjust for optimal cooling and lower emissions. Firms like Foster Plus Partners and Zaha Hadid Architects use AI-driven simulations for high-performance, sustainable buildings. AI's impact doesn't stop at design. In construction, it improves accuracy, reduces waste, and boosts safety. Robots can 3D print components or lay bricks with precision. Drones scan sites to keep projects on track. Machine learning predicts delays or supply issues before they occur. By blending AI with robotics and BIM, construction becomes more coordinated and efficient. The result: faster builds, lower costs, and fewer surprises. At the heart of architecture is the human experience. AI helps make that experience better. Using data on behavior and movement, AI helps urban designers optimize public spaces for usability, safety, and enjoyment. Want to reduce urban heat? AI can tell you where to plant trees. Need better accessibility? It can recommend curb changes or elevator placements. In a world where data shapes design, cities can finally serve everyone. One of the most advanced AI applications is the digital twin, a real-time, virtual replica of a city. Fed by live data, digital twins simulate how cities breathe, move, and evolve. Planners can test ideas before building, simulating impacts on traffic, shadows, and energy use. AI is democratizing design. With cloud platforms and open-source tools, small firms and individuals can access the same power as large corporations. This invites more diverse voices into architecture. Now, a student in Nairobi or a co-op in Medellin can design housing that meets local needs using global intelligence. The future of architecture is inclusive and collaborative. But as we rush toward algorithmic cities, a question emerges. What do we lose when AI designs too much? Creativity and cultural nuance give cities their soul. An over-optimized environment might be efficient, but is it livable? AI in architecture must remain a tool, not a master. It should augment, not override, human intuition and ethics. AI also enables adaptive architecture. Buildings can become living organisms, changing and responding to their environments. Smart sensors track usage and environment, feeding data to AI systems that reconfigure spaces in real time. Meeting rooms become lounges, walls shift for privacy, and floors adapt to energy needs. This flexibility is critical for an unpredictable future. Buildings designed for adaptability will be more resilient. Architecture is more than steel and glass, it's a cultural language. The danger with AI is uniformity. But when programmed thoughtfully, AI can enhance cultural expression. By using data on local styles and values, designers can generate solutions that respect tradition while embracing innovation. AI won't replace architects, it changes how we design. Architects become curators, guiding algorithms and adding human insight. This shift lets architects focus on vision and storytelling, while AI handles complexity. AI systems are only as good as their data. Bias and data can echo in designs, reinforcing inequality or overlooking communities. Human oversight is critical. Designers must question the data and prioritize ethical design. AI can also help cities withstand disaster. Through simulation and modeling, AI tests thousands of scenarios, earthquakes, floods, heat waves, and optimizes structures for resilience. AI enables hyperlocal design customized for each place and population. By aggregating data from sensors and community input, AI designs spaces that reflect real needs. AI is reshaping aesthetics, too. Generative design produces forms based on performance and logic, often resulting in organic or unexpected structures. Will we learn to love algorithmic beauty? AI isn't just for experts. New platforms let citizens engage directly with design. Communities can propose features, test options, and shape projects before they're built. This co-design process bridges the gap between top-down development and grassroots needs. Ultimately, the goal is not just smart buildings, but living cities, places that sense, learn, and evolve. Cities that respond to people like living organisms. With power comes responsibility. As AI takes a central role, we must ask who controls the algorithms. How is data protected? What rights do citizens have? Without transparency, AI could become a tool for control. With ethical design and oversight, it can empower. We are at the dawn of a new era. AI in architecture is a transformative force. It challenges us to think differently, design responsibly, and imagine boldly. AI gives us the tools, but we must bring the vision. The future of our cities depends on what we choose to build and why. Thank you for watching FutureTech AI Hub.